Hi, Zenia Wood here, founder of Swift Movement Academy. So the bird dog is an exercise that is going to brace through our core while creating some movements that we're trying to resist forces through our spine and our abdomen region. So again, hands down, wrists directly under shoulders, knees directly under hips. From this position here, you're going to brace through your core and extend both opposite hand, opposite leg. And back in, extend. You can vary by crossing over and creating a crunch movement and then extending out, but making sure with our extension, we're not arching through that back. We want to maintain that flat neutral spine when we're in extension and coming back down. So this can either be a hold for a set time period, or you can do those repetitions.